Hi everyone and welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how I create my sesame chicken and fried rice. So first things first, I will be starting on the sesame chicken sauce. So I'm just adding in a few ingredients here. Now I will have all of my ingredients listed down below in the description box. So I'm going to mix up my sauce very well, and I'm going to taste test it as well to see if it's to my liking. Now with this sauce, once we start cooking it, you want to make sure you add in your chicken right away, as this sauce thickens up pretty quickly and it is a sticky type of sauce. Okay, so I have about 2 to 3 chicken breasts that I cut up in cubes. And I'm adding in a couple seasonings. You don't want to add too much, just a little bit of flavor, because that sauce has a rich flavor, okay? So after I add in all those seasonings, a pinch of salt and pepper, I'm going to give that a quick mix. Now in another bowl, we're going to add in some egg whites, and we're going to also add in a little bit of water. We're making our batter mix. Okay, so this is basically similar to a tempura mix, but a little different. So I'm just adding in some flour as well as cornstarch and smoked paprika just for a little color. Now I'm going to mix it and add a little bit more liquid until it's to my liking. And like I said, I will have everything listed down below in the description box. So you want to have a thick but smooth mix. And I'm just going to add in half of that chicken breast. And I use a spatula just to help mix it very well and not get it everywhere. My oil is preheated on 350 or medium high heat, and we will be frying these until they're to my liking, pretty crispy golden brown color. Okay, so this is the tricky part. When you're adding these, make sure they're pretty spaced out. You don't want to fry too many at one time because of the batter. Now you want to slowly dip it in the oil, and then you want to shake it. And as it's cooking, you're going to continue to shake it. And we're going to fry these bad boys for about 7 minutes, okay? I like mine pretty crispy. And my oven is on warm to keep them warm as I'm cooking them. So for my fried rice, this is just a quick fried rice here. I'm adding in a little bit of fresh garlic, letting that saute and those flavors just release. Next, I'm adding in a little bit of that vegetable melody. You can add whatever vegetables you want. I just decided to go ahead and add a little bit here. Once those are pretty warm and heated up, I will be adding in 1 egg. So I'm adding a little bit of butter just to give it some sauce, okay? So we're going to add in some butter, and then after that, we're going to drop in some egg, and we're going to scramble that. Now, once that is pretty cooked, not overly cooked, we're going to mix that in with the vegetables and set that to the side and continue on. Next, I have my chilled rice. This was about 2 cups of rice. Parboiled rice is better for me. And I'm just going to chop it up since it was chilled slightly. And then after that, I'm going to mix it all up. For my fried rice, I usually add a brand called Sun-Dried. They have a fried rice seasoning. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. So I usually add that in there, a little bit of black pepper, soy sauce, and you can add sesame oil to your liking. Now here I added in a little bit of butter, and we're going to give that a quick mix and let that just fry up. After about 5 minutes, now that's when I add in that fried rice seasoning, and it's going to soak it right on up. And season to your liking. I turn my heat down to a medium low now. So this is my chicken halfway done. We're just checking on it. I wanted to show you. Now this is it fully done. I left it in there for a couple more minutes. That cornstarch really does the trick. It helps it get it very crispy. So for my sauce, I have it on my pan on a medium-high heat, and I'm going to bring this sauce to a boil. This is the perfect time to add in the chicken when you see your sauce thickens up and it's calming down. You want to give that a quick toss after that, and you're going to let it sit just a tad, but you want to eat it immediately once plated. Go ahead and garnish it with a little bit more sesame seeds, and this is the perfect quick and easy meal. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you decide to recreate this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisine Story.